Okay, you can go. Bless you.
I'm going to smash the rock. No, I'm Jordan.
Whoa, where is it? It came down.
My turn. My turn.
Did it work?
My turn, Jordan. No, Jordan.
Okay, Lukey, was the experiment successful?
I go after Lukey. Yes.
Yes?
Daddy.
Why?
Daddy, because it went so high and went back to you.
Oh, good.
Daddy.
Yes, Noah.
I'm going to blow this rocket.
Alright, you show me. Go. And here is the supervisor of all.
Supervisor.
What are you doing, Noah? You have to explain me.
Setting it up.
You're setting it up?
Yeah.
What do you need to set it up? Uh-oh. And here we jump. Whoa! Whoa, almost on me.
Daddy.
Okay, now it's Jordan's turn.
You don't see what you're going to do. Daddy.
Who are we? Who is this man? No, no.
Buddy.
Don't.